How to create checklists on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the process of creating checklists on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, open your ClickUp account on your PC, and then after that, over here on the left side among the list, you'll need to select the space, or you can even create a new space if you want. Now for example, I'm clicking on the existing space I have. I'm having marketing project over here, so I'm going to click on that. And after that, what you're going to do is click on this board among the navigation panel. So click on this option of board, and now here you can see that there'll be numerous boards over here. Now you can see that there'll be planning in progress. You can just scroll in order to find that. So for example, if I'm going to click on this task 1, so just click on the respective task where you wish to create your checklist. So now here you can see that there's the option checklist. Scroll down till you find it. You'll need to scroll down a bit in order to find the checklist section. It's just a little bit. It's under the subtasks one. It might be changed in your ClickUp, maybe, but not really. So here you can either add checklist or use a template. So let's write down a check. For example, I'm going to write part 1 done, and then click enter. And now you can see that here you have this option of 3 dots, so you can either add an item, rename, or assign to, or delete. So here you can see that there is a person icon, so just click on it and you will be able to assign the task to anyone. So here you can even write more checklists. For example, I'm going to write part 2 done and part 3 done. So there are 3 checks. So when you click on this circle over here, the check will get resolved. So what resolved mean is that over here at the top, you'll be able to see that it's written 1 by 3. That means that one task among the 3 ones are resolved. So here let's write another task, and you'll see that now the tasks are 4, the checks are 4. So when you click on resolve over here, now let's see what happens when you click on resolve over here. So you can see that this becomes 2 by 4. When you click again, this becomes 3 by 4, and when you click again, it will be 4 by 4. So as soon as the tasks get completed, either you or the assigned person would need to click on resolve so that they can be on track. So that was how basically you can create checklists on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in order to view more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next video.